I'd expect nothing less from a member of FUBAR.
So yeah. Pew pew! Pew pew pew! Surrender!
Done. Very good. So you need to find some cover. You need cover. They're going to start coming out soon. Just flip this thing so we can spawn.
It's already flipped.
We're good?
Good. Let the spawn.
Hey, right side, right side.
Right side. It's red.
Oh.
It's red, isn't it?
Okay. If we can keep them on left, we can go right, we can smoke the whole field at once and move in.
Yeah.
I think we need to take the trench. We're right on the other side. I heard them overlay. So we can get down in. Go around. Watch right side. Spread out. If we can get to the other side and smoke the field, we can move in. You good? Brett, they're coming from my side. Yeah, I'm down here. They're up. I think they're in the grass fields back there. You're in the tower, second floor. We need to get smoke out in front of that tower. I'm gonna see if I can move up, lay down some cover, so we can move out of these woods.
What we got that?
We're up in the tower. There's one on the second story of its fort. I think there's two over here. They're respawning from the left. If we can get up there, I can lay down smoke so we can get out of these woods. So if we can get out, if we can get up front, I can lay down smoke to get out of these woods.
You can't use that though.
What?
Can't use that though.
What? I don't know.
I wish I could see where they were.
I'm thinking we're going to need to move up where Brett is. Get where Brett is, the room straight through the middle, chunk smoke out, and come back till the cover's down. Brett, I'm trying to move up through here and lay down smoke. Huh? We're on the second story of the tower itself. I'm trying to get up close out of the tree line and throw down smoke. We aren't allowed to use these, right?
As long as we like pay attention to them, I think. Like make sure you don't set the grass on fire. I think we're okay. We just need to like police the garbage, you know? We gotta move it, we can't just sit here.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to think of a plan. There's really nowhere to move up. Unless we can go through the grass fields and flank them from the left. That's really about the only option we got, I think. We can't move straight out. They got us pinned down in this trench. We can get around to the right and flank them. Maybe some of our guys can get in from down here. Hey. Brett. Just don't smoke. Be ready to move.
It's not smoking!
What the? He pulled the cord, it's not working. Alright, I'm gonna throw one left, see if I can get mine to work. I'll see if I can get mine to work. Pretty low so you can cover me.
Eddie said, is that okay?
Huh?
Eddie said, is that right?
Well, he didn't ask Eddie.
Or not Eddie, but the other guy?
What, Rod?
Yeah.
I didn't see him over here.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not gonna throw it then. What?